Hello everyone, welcome my dear students to India's first animated live tuition. I welcome all of you to 90 plus my tuition app. Get ready over there for a brand new session, guys. I can see your messages. Yes, bonjour, good evening, hello everyone. Everyone is like, sir, new wallpaper and all, okay? Something is happening over there. What should we eat for our healthy eyes and all, right? Yes, good evening, what's up? What's up, guys? I hope all of you are ready, power packed over there, right? So yes, today we have Lois ma'am as a support tutor over here. So if you have any concerns, queries and all, please do drop your queries in the chat box. Lois ma'am will be there to assist you guys. So don't worry about it. Yes, we should eat food. We know that Anu is like, sir, for healthy eyes, for sure, we should eat food, nothing else. So how is life? Life is good, Laksha. Thanks for asking. Yes, good evening, Pranav. Good evening, everyone. Are you ready over there, power back for a brand new session? So everyone is like, sir, still light? Yes, we'll start sound today, probably, hopefully. So if we finish light today for sure, I plan to start sound today. So in your timetable updation, you might have seen, okay, today we are going to discuss sound chapter, right? But in light, very few topics are left. So we'll finish that first. Then we'll have the chapter test today. So be prepared. Okay, sir, we are having chapter test today. Light, okay. We'll learn it properly. Yes, Angel is asking, how is your day? My day was good. I'm happy, energetic, healthy. So I hope you guys eat good food for healthy eyes, right? So what type of food should we eat? What all measures we should take to take care of our eyes? So what did you eat today? Today I had rice, sambar curry. Guys, you guys know sambar curry? You guys know, right? Then I had chicken. Then what I had? Omelette I had. Karen is like, sir.
2 coffees, 2 tea.
Very much non-veg. Yes, carrot was not there. Okay. These days I'm not able to follow a good diet and all. Omelette sandwich. No, not sandwich. For breakfast I had puri. Guys, you guys know puri and masala? Puri masala, you guys know Indian dishes, guys. So I ate a whole meal. That was for the lunch, Arnav. So puri masala for breakfast. Chaya. You guys know, right? Chai. Very yummy. So are you on bulk or cut? I am on bulk. It's not actually bulk. You can say gainer diet. So bulk in sense will be complete trans fat and all will be there, right? But gainer diet means I'll be just gaining weight, but I'll not be bulking. Unwanted fat will not be there. Yes, Laksha, I'm so sad about it. Some of you are sharing, sir, India lost. Yes, I'm not happy about it. Save some food for us. Okay, Arnav. Sir, I can't see you. Okay. So, Huda, guys, remaining students, can you see me properly? Can see me properly, right? Good? Yes. So, Huda, what do you have to do? Please do try rejoining or check your network. Sir, I have a question. One, is carrot good for eyes health? Okay, first question is carrot good for eyes health? Yes, for sure, Oral Nia. Very good question. So today we are going to discuss that in detail, don't worry. So it's coming your way. Then, yes, vitamin A rich foods we should eat. Everyone knows the concepts.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm planning to leave the session because they all know what are the concepts we are going to discuss. They all know what food we should eat and all. So the thumbnail and all we have planned, no? That's waste of time, I guess.
We have smart students in the class.
Very smart students I have over here in 8th grade.
You have also taken this topic.
Why do you need a tutor, guys? Everyone is like, sir, you took revision and all, right, for exams, so they have an idea. Yeah. So you are making me hungry. Okay. So I got my marks for physics in school. How was it, Watson? Good, bad? We don't need tutor, we need food. Arnav, okay, I'll leave. I'll just share food virtually. Okay, I'll make you more hungry, thirsty and all by showing some food pictures and all in the session. Sir, India lost the match. Yes, Laksha, I know it. I saw the match yesterday. Yes, I saw the match yesterday. Sir, I have a green screen. Last week it was okay. I can't open my camera, so I'm offing my camera. Please, no, Angela. You have to keep it turned on. That's our protocol. We have some set of rules and regulations, right? So when you're in the session, please do turn on your video. It's mandatory, guys. And also, some of you guys were thinking, sir, certain number of sessions are going live on YouTube. So what is the point of taking subscription and joining sessions? No. Guys, it's not like that. It doesn't work like that. In YouTube, we just go ahead with 1 or 2 live sessions, okay? So it's not about all the chapters, all the sessions live in YouTube. Then what is that for subscription? Everyone is like, sir, we are paying. What is that for? It's not like that. In YouTube, we'll be just giving some 1 or 2 sample sessions of each chapter, so that the students who didn't subscribe will get an idea. Okay, this is how Manoj sir's drama is going on. So we should join 90 plus or not. So as a reference. So if you want your friends or colleagues to see our sessions, or if you want them to, if you want to show your friends, okay, guys, this is how the classes are going on over here. A lot of drama is happening. If you want to see the drama, please do join the sessions. So YouTube links will share. Okay. So guys, please do make your friends let us know. Okay, we have just started a new channel. Everyone is like, sir, our Middle East channel, very less number of subscribers. Don't worry about it, guys. Very new channel. So we'll build it. How we'll build it? You have to share it. Spread. And let your friends know, okay, this is what is happening in the live session. A lot of drama will be happening. But along with that, we'll be learning the concepts as well. Why? Because I'll not be teaching, right? Lois ma'am is their support tutor. She will help you guys. So I'll do a lot of drama. Lois ma'am will teach. Lois ma'am will work, right? No? Okay, Lois ma'am is like, sir, why are you here? Don't be so dramatic. Fine. So guys, can we start? Any questions, queries, concerns before we start?
Sir, Vachan is saying that he's got 23 on 25.
23 out of 25. That's great, Vachan. I appreciate that. Vachan got 23 out of 25 in physics.
Yes.
So I'm very proud of it. Vachan is like, sir, not cause of your classes, I studied. Vachan, like, from all my students, we are not someone who will spoon feed everything. We are just a support for your exams, for your concepts and all. No, Sharik, never. Very new, it seems. 5 years ago, the channel was made. So it's not a 90 plus channel. I'm not talking about the 90 plus channel. I'm talking about the Middle East channel. In 90 plus itself, we are specific. Middle East, Cbse, Kerala State and all. So I'm talking about the Middle East channel. It was made recently. Sohail is like, sir, don't do drama 5 years ago. No. That's the main channel. It was made 5 years ago. Our Middle East channel was made recently. This year only. This year, right? Yes. This year beginning.
Videos are very less actually.
That's what. So you guys should build. Okay, sir, we are 90 plus students. We are there. No? Okay, we'll share. Don't worry. You guys should have that mentality, right? So why are we wasting time? Let's go. Ahmad Nabil, unmute Ahmad Nabil. I'll make your time worthy. Botted followers. Now we have botted students. You guys are bots or what? No, right? Yes. Nabil. Hi, Nabil.
Hello, sir.
Yes. What did we learn the previous session?
Sir, I think we learned light.
Light, right? In light, what all the concepts we have covered in the previous session?
We had completed the laws of reflection.
Laws of reflection we have covered then.
Sir, then the diagram of the light's reflection.
No, the last one, the last section, the last topic. Which topic we have covered? Do you remember the activity? No, right? And Nabil is like, sir, I'm very focused. Let's go ahead with the concept, but I don't remember what we have learned in the previous session. Nabil. So do you remember the activity? We have seen an activity, right, Nabil? Some drama was happening. Some one bird was there, right, inside a cage. Do you remember? Optical illusion. So 1/16 of the image is multiple frames. If it moves real quick, we'll feel it like the object is moving. And in the activity which we have done, on one side of the paper was the cage, on the other side was the bird. When we were rotating the paper, we felt like, okay, I was saying the curd is in the base. No, the bird is in the cage, right? You guys feel like that, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Fine. So Nabil, can we go ahead? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up, right? Nabil is like, okay, sir, in my whole career, I'll never ask like that. It's okay. You have to go ahead, right? No, a lot of drama, very less. 100 followers and an hour, pakka. Yes or no? Very new. Yeah. Sir, hi sir. Today I picked my science teacher laptop. I got 40 on 80. It was almost day. Almost what day? 40 on 80. Okay. Laksha, just half, right? You have to improve, right? We can work on it. Don't worry. Don't consider like, sir, I got just average marks, we need to improve. Yes, for sure, we are there, right? Never be like, okay, I need to get on track. Don't worry, we are there. So you can ask, sir, this particular area or this particular chapter, we have a concern. Can you please help me out?
Joking.
Okay.
I'm joking.
Okay, Lakshya meant, no sir, I'm joking, but he typed, no sir, I'm jicking. What is the jicking? Jicking, sir? Lakshya? What is the jicking? Or jiking? You have to type J-O-K-I-N-G, right? Joking. Or autocorrect. Blind spot. Yes, blind spot we have discussed. Kaleidoscope we have discussed. My bad. Okay, fine. I know it. I was kidding. So let's go ahead, guys. So my brother is watching you all live. Okay, so glad to know that. Sohail. Yes. So is this class live in the channel? Yes, Sharik. In our Middle East channel, it's going live in YouTube. So you guys can share the links. Rinsa, can we share them the links in the chat box as well? So that everyone gets the link, okay? Everyone is like, sir, we'll not join in Zoom, we'll go to YouTube. No. You just have to share it, okay? So that your friends can see Manoj sir's drama. Click on the link. So certain thumbnails will be like, if you click on the link, you will understand what is there behind Manoj sir. Something like that, right? Or in some thumbnails, it will be like big snake, python and all will be given. When I open, one small snail will be moving. I've seen a lot of videos like that. You guys have seen? Lois man does this every day.
Oh my god.
Sir, you can get views. Yes, for clickbites, we'll do a lot of drama. But for over here, for my classes and all, my picture itself fair enough, right? Almost close enough to Damon Salvatore. Isn't it? Hollywood actors and all. Looks exactly like me, right? So they don't need any extra animals pictures and all. Very good. My picture itself like this, they'll keep. So already automatically views will increase. Manoj sir gonna perform final for Indian Idol today. Yes, Arnav, after session, I didn't pick their call. 47 out of 80. Okay, Oral, we need to improve. We'll work on it. Don't worry. So we just waited 30 minutes. Oh, is it Sohail? No. Sohail, your watch is not working. Where is Sohail? Unmute Sohail. Sohail, when did we start the session? Is it 30 minutes down or what? Unmute Sohail. Sohail, 30 minutes down or what?
It's showing 8:55.
8:55. In which clock? Okay. In which country do we live right now?
UAE.
UAE, right? In Dubai it's not 8:55, right?
No.
Maybe my clock is wrong.
Yeah. Okay.
In Dubai it's 6:15, something like that, right? 6:45.
Sharjah.
7.
Yeah, it'll be 6:45, I guess. Yes, or 7:15. 7:15. Yes, it'll be 7:15. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Sohail, please do work on your clock and watch. Please do change all the digital clocks or analog clocks and all. Please do work on it. Fine. Sohail is like, in my lifetime, never, sir. Sir, I'm new to physics class today. I started joining last week, Monday, so I didn't study the chapter light for today's chapter exam. Got it, Hannah. Anil. Hannah, can you please raise your hands? So everyone has warmed up. Let's cover the concepts. Hannah, can you please unmute quick?
Yeah.
Hannah, Anil, are you there? So Hannah, we have been discussing the chapter light, okay? So with respect to the sessions which you missed, you can get the links of the live sessions. All the live sessions are recorded. Okay, not just the YouTube live, okay, normal live, you have subscribed, right? So all the sessions are recorded, so they'll be sharing the links of it, okay? Got it? Got it? So you can cover up what you have missed. You can get on the track. Don't worry. And also, if you have any particular doubt, please do raise your hands and ask me directly. Also, you can drop your queries in the chat box. We have a support tutor as well. And I hope you know that you should keep your cameras turned on during the session. Isn't it? Yes. Tilt your camera a little bit down. Nice ceiling, white ceiling, good. Tilt your camera a little bit down. Okay, fine. So now please never hesitate to ask any doubts and all. And if you are struggling to get on to track, don't worry. Okay, take your time. Watch the sessions which you missed. Don't be like, sir, give me all the links of all the sessions. No, specifically ask. Okay, if you want the light chapter link, ask our admin team, ma'am or sir, I want the link of chapter light. Okay, specifically ask. Okay, so that you can get help of it. Guys, can we start? Are we good to go? Are we good to go? Are you there? Okay, give me a double thumbs up to the camera, everyone. If you're not giving double thumbs up, so I'll start singing. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my day. Everyone is like, sir, please stop your weird rhymes and all. We'll go ahead with the concept. Guys, I know very good at singing. Okay, singing is my like what we say, born talent. Okay, so leave us alone, guys. I know you guys are very jealous of my talent. It's okay, it happens generally. So Rinsa, can we show them the image formation? Are you ready over there? Can we show them the image formation? Yes, we'll show them how the image is formed. Okay, so the basic idea of it. Yes, Rinsa, go ahead. So guys, I hope you know what we have learned in the previous session. Just to have a quick recap, look over here. So yes, Rinsa. So over here, our brain is there, right? So on our eyes, when light falls, okay, we have considered a source over here. So from the candle, when light goes, okay, when light enters into our eyes, image is formed on the retina, as you can see here. Image is formed over there behind, right? Behind our eyes, that is on the retina, and the signals will be going to the brain through our optic nerve. So our brain will be perceiving the object. So even though the image formed on the retina is inverted, our brain perceives, okay, the candle is erect, straight and all, but the actual image formed on the retina is inverted, as you can see here. So here I'm considering the object that is the source of light and is entering and is forming an image over here. So this is how image is formed on our eyes, right? Yes. So Rinsa, can we show them what happens in the case of a blind spot? Yes, Rinsa, thank you. So the basic example of image formation. Different parts of our eyes and all we have checked. My physics ma'am is too strict in school. Oh, don't worry, I'm very cool, right? A lot of drama. Don't worry, I'll never be like that. So you can ask me doubts and all. Okay. So oral is like, sir, even though I feel scared to ask doubts to a physics ma'am, over here I'm too chill, right? So you can ask me, isn't it? So never hesitate, guys. So we are here to help you. Never feel like, sir, if I ask this, will it be a big problem? No. That's why we have a chat box, right? So Lois ma'am will be filtering. Lois ma'am will be checking, okay, should we discuss this or not? So you can drop it down in the chat box. Don't worry. So yes. So over here, image is formed like this. Inverted bird, can you see? So inverted bird is there, right? So what will happen? So from here, optic nerves, okay, you can see corn cells, rod cells, optic nerves and all, right? A lot of nerves are there. So to the brain, an optic nerve will be there. So through the optic nerve, the signals will be going. So our brain will be perceiving the image. So yes, what happens in the case of a blind spot? What is the concept, guys? What is this concept? So we'll check out the definition. Before we go, we'll check out an activity. Yes, Rinsa, go ahead. What happens in the case of a blind spot? Can you keep it a little bit up so it covers? Yes, fair enough. Down, a little bit down. Yes, go ahead. So yes, guys, I hope you remember this activity. So we have considered a piece of paper, and in the paper we have put a cross mark and a round mark, right? Can you see the round mark over here? So I have added a round mark, yes, for sure. Then, yes, go ahead, sir. Then on the other side, okay, on the other side cross is there. Then what? Yes, go ahead, sir. Then what did we do? We have considered the distance, right? Okay, the distance between the cross and the round mark should be approximately 6 to 8 centimeters. Yes, then? Yes, sir, go ahead. You don't have to pause it. Yes. So they are checking, okay, so who is this? Okay, Laksha is sitting over there with a piece of paper with cross and round mark, and Laksha is checking, okay? So when he closes his right eye, he's able to see what is there on the left, right? Is it something like that? No. When he closes his one eye and looks to the paper, when he brings the paper close to him, he can only see one cross mark, okay? So the round mark is has disappeared. Cause of what? What is the reason for it? Okay, sir, where is the round mark? Only cross we can see. Where is the round? So it has disappeared. Cause of what? Cause of the blind spot concept, right? Yes, sir, go ahead. Cause of what? The blind spot concept, right? Then, what if he closes his other eye? Okay, first he closed his left. First if he closed his left, the next time he'll close his right. Then it will be the opposite. So that is, the cross mark will be covered and he can see only the round mark. It will be like this. What is the reason for it? Why Laksha is facing this issue? What is the reason? Any defect of eye or any kind of what we say, any kind of phenomenon Obviously, it's none other than blind spot, right? Laksha is like, sir, we have learned a blind spot, we know it already. Yes, it is none other than the concept of, sir, is today a chapter test. Yes, Abu Sufyan, you guys will have a chapter test. And after that, we'll move to the chapter sound. I'm not broke. Who was that? Laksha itself?
Yeah.
Laksha is like, I'm not broke. Broke what, Laksha? Financially. So what is non-orientable and lives in the ocean? Riddle for you. Vishnuvardhan, I'll come to the riddle, okay? So we'll discuss the concept first. So blind spot we have discussed, right? So why are we not able to see the thing over here, or why are we not able to see the cross or the round mark when we close one of our eye? What is the reason? The image is formed in a region on the retina where our eye can't perceive the image, or the signals will not be going to the brain. Isn't it? So there is a region on the retina that the image is formed exactly behind where our brain or our eyes can't perceive the image which we are seeing. Sir, it is myopia. No, it's not myopia. Ahmed Nabil, today we will discuss about myopia, hypermetropia and all. Yes, Rinsa, thank you. So now you will understand the concept of blind spot. That is, at the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, there are no sensory cells, so no vision is possible at that spot. This is called the blind spot. So at that point when image is formed, sensory cells are not there. So they are not able to perceive, okay, what did we see? So the signals will not be going to the brain. So we will not be able to see the things. So in the activity which we have done just now, what happened? The disappearance of the cross or the round mark shows that there is a point on the retina which cannot send messages to the brain when light falls on it. The impression of an image does not vanish immediately from the retina. It persists there for about 1/16th of a second. So as an example, we'll check out. Yes, Rinsa, go ahead. Next one. So they are very lazy. Yes, the image formation is not there perfectly, right? Yes, go ahead. So guys, this activity, how many of you remember? Wave your hands, quick. We have discussed this already. You guys do remember, right? Yes, what did we do? We have considered. Yes, very good. I can see a lot of students waving. Other students, you don't remember the animation? Those who remember this animation, wave your hands. Some of you are still figuring out, sir, what was this animation? Rainbow? Not rainbow. Bird and cage. Very good, Ahmed Nabil. Yes, go ahead, sir. So initially we are considering a piece of paper, so around 6 to 8 centimeter. We'll be putting 2 holes in it. We'll tie a rope or a string to it, not rope and a small string we'll tie. Then on one side, like me, okay, great artist like me will draw a cage. On the other side, we'll draw a bird as well. Okay, you guys will find it tough to draw a bird like this. And since I'm too good at art, I'll do this. But you guys, I don't know what you'll do. You guys, what you have to do is take a picture and stick. Okay, that's better. Or take some printout and all. Okay, I know you guys don't know to draw that much, but it's okay, it's okay. Picasso who? It's all obviously me, Alvin. So I'm also an artist. Yes, I know it, Ahmed Nabil. We are friends, bros. Yes. So what we have done? One side bird and on the other side case. So when I rotate it with the strings, okay, when I rotate the paper with the strings, what happens? I can draw the case at least. I was kidding. Leonardo da Vinci. Yes. Stereotyping. Vachin, I was kidding. Vachin is like, sir, stereotyping, not good. Fine. So yes, over here, when we rotate the paper, what happens? We feel like, okay, I draw the face of Leodas. Fine, Vishnuvardhan. So we feel like on the bird is inside the cage. Can you see over here, Rinsa? We feel like the bird is inside the cage, right? Yes, isn't it? Lois ma'am? Bird is inside the cage, right?
Yeah.
But actually, what is happening? Optical illusion, right?
Yes.
Yes, 1/16th, multiple times, isn't it? What is this activity named bird and cage experiment? You can name it, Sohin. Yes, Rinsa, thank you. So what is the reason for it? What is actually happening over here? The impression of an image does not vanish immediately from the retina. It persists there for about 1/16th of a second. So that gives an idea, that gives an impression, or that makes us feel like, okay, the bird is inside the cage. And also there is one more case where if still images of a moving object are flashed on the eye at a rate faster than 16 per second, then the eye perceives this object is moving. So multiple set of images. Okay, some of you are sharing, sir, some book is there. Sir, that's because of Photoshop. No, Ahmed Nabil, that's actually optical illusion. Our eyes messing with us. Exactly, Aurelnia. Yes, sir, we'll check out the next experiment. So we'll show multiple images at a rate faster than 16 images per second. So then the eye perceives that this object is moving. Yes, we'll check out an animation. Yes, Rin sir, go ahead. So we have seen this already. I hope you remember. Yes, go ahead. So here multiple images are there, right? So multiple images, when we change it in quick succession, we feel like, okay, the object is moving. Guys, what is this cartoon? Which cartoon? Dragon Ball Z? Yes, like flip book, Nashmia, the flip book concept. So this is from YouTube. But Nabil, which cartoon then? Kamehameha. Okay. Flip book guy. Yes. So this concept we have discussed. Okay. So 16 frames per second we are moving. So cause of that we feel like okay, the object is moving. If it's faster than that, the transition will be more smoother. Yes, it is animated. Yes, Nashmia. Yes, thank you, sir. So let's go ahead. So I hope you got the concept. So the movies that we see are actually a number of separate pictures in proper sequence. Okay, not the advanced modern one, guys. The traditional, conventional one. Lois ma'am is thinking, sir, are the 3D separate pictures? No, that's actually a video, but the conventional movies and all, okay? So they are made to move across the eye usually at a rate of 24 pictures per second, faster than 16 per second, okay? So in that case, so we see a moving picture. So the anime one, the example which I have shown was like a little bit laggy, right? Small transition. But if it has to be real quick, okay? So if movement should be there, right? For that, 24 pictures per second. So if that is the case, we'll see it, okay? Much smoother movement we'll see. Okay? So we have learned this already. So let's go ahead, guys. Any queries, concerns? Yes. So this is the last slide we stopped. Yeah, exactly, Ahmed Nabil. That blue laser bead thing is the Kamehameha. No, it's fine. We'll get time for it. Yes, reading newspaper. Not required. Reading newspaper. Okay, guys? Reading newspaper, in the case of reading newspaper, what is the irony we face? What is the challenge we face? So do you watch anime? No, Laksha. I don't watch anime. Allness, okay. So all people will be finding tough to read watching. You said stereotypic. Okay, this is something, what we say, hypocrite. So it's small letters, okay. In newspaper it will be very small. So reading small letters would be tough, right? Small words, okay, very small words would be tough. How many of you read newspapers daily, every day? Every day, watching? Answer my riddle, sir, now. Okay, Vishnuvardhan, what was your riddle? Type it again, real quick. In India, not right now, okay. Not every day, okay. Not me. But most days, okay, that's good, Madhav. Central knowledge you can gain, right? I'm too lassi, not lassi. Laksha, it's lazy. I'm too lassi means what? Curd with sugar? Kind of lassi, right? Online newspaper, parents do not. Okay, parents do, not me. Okay, fine, Snake. I read it loud. Sir, did you see Leo? Leo, yes, I have watched the movie. I just want to play the crosswords and all. Oh, okay. Sudoku, crosswords and all. Even I used to do. In Hindu newspaper, it's there, right? Next to the sports page. So when I was in school, I used to take the sports page first. I'll read that. Remaining some major news, I'll check out. Then I'll directly go to Sudoku. Rinser, do you do that? Sudoku, newspaper. Rinser doesn't like Sudoku. Most of the time, I don't read newspaper. Oh, is it Aurelia? So yes, I'm waiting for a riddle. Where is it? Vishnuvardhan. 2023 is gonna end soon. Before that, we need to go ahead with the concepts. Vishnuvardhan ran away or what? Sir, what is yellow spot? Vachin, defects of vision we are going ahead, but yellow spot is not there. We'll discuss that if you need it at the end of session. I haven't tried to understand how Sudoku works. Fine, I'll help you with that, Sharik. Okay? Such extra type of questions we'll check out. Okay? Sharik wants to know about Sudoku. Ma'am, Vachin wants to know about yellow spot. Okay? Lois ma'am will help you with yellow spot. Okay? Now, Vachin will say, sir, what is blue spot? What is green spot now? Sir, did you see India versus Australia? Yes, I saw it. Vishnuvardhan, where is the question? I'm asking about question. The question ran away. Lot of messages was coming. So a lot of messages were there, so I have missed your question. So Vishnuvardhan is like, sir, answer. You need to go ahead quick. Playing grid is better than writing paper. What is this Lakshya? What kind of keyboard you are using? Lot of auto corrections coming up. So I think you got trolled. Oh, Ahmed Nabil, Vishnuvardhan typed some riddle. I missed it. What is non-orientable and live in the ocean? Okay, that's the riddle. What is non-orientable and live in the ocean? Non-orientable and live in the ocean. Ma'am, do you know it?
No, sir.
Rinsa, any idea? So I have a riddle. Okay, I'll come to that. Abu Sufyan, Vishnuvardhan. I don't know. Yes, Vishnuvardhan, type the answer there.
What does?
A fish? No. Okay, a Mobius dick. Oh, Vishnuvardhan, careful about what you ask. I know. Fine. Okay, that was the answer. Yes. Abu Sufyan. Yes, before we go, we'll ask Vishnuvardhan the clarity about it. Unmute Vishnuvardhan. Vishnuvardhan, raise your hands. Yes. Yes, Vishnuvardhan. Unmute yourself. Sir, can I go?
Hi, sir.
Yes. So, Vishnuvardhan, I didn't get your question.
Sir, send the question in the chat box.
Yes, what was that? Non-orientable but live in the ocean.
Sir, like this, my friend asked to you.
Okay. Then what is the answer?
I sent the answer, sir.
Yes, read it.
Monobus dick.
Okay, what is that? A creature? Seahorse?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine.
Los Angeles extend.
Got it. Be careful about what you ask or type in the chat box. Okay, be polite when you comment. You get it?
Okay, sir.
One file warning, you will not comment something like this in future. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Where is Abu Sufyan's riddle? Yes, Abu Sufyan, my friend was happy because India lost the match. Why? She was happy for Australia. We were beating her for fun. All were sad. Okay, and Angela, we all were sad. Yes, it's a type of seahorse, I guess, Sharik. I know it is some creature in the sea, but I know why Vishnuvardhan asked that. I know you are still in 8th grade. My children, my students, I understand, but still, everything has a limit. Okay, where is Abu Sufyan? I missed. Okay, fine. So Abu Sufyan, I'll come to your riddle later on. Okay. So in the case of reading newspaper, what happens, guys? Rinsal, can you show them a newspaper? When are we going to write notes? Notes are coming your way. Yes, go ahead, sir. So over here, Lois ma'am is reading newspaper. Okay, Lois ma'am is like, okay, daily news. What's news today? 90 plus my tuition. Okay, fine. Go ahead, sir. Okay, Lois ma'am is reading the newspaper. Okay, now the letters are clear, crystal clear, very fine. Okay, she can read. So when she brought the newspaper very close to her eyes, what happened, guys? What happened? She's not able to read properly, right? Cause of what? Cause of what? When the distance is changing, it got blurred. Exactly, Nashmia. It got blurred over here. Why? Because the distance from her eyes to the newspaper changed, isn't it? So there is a concept called power of accommodation. Okay, you will learn in detail about power of accommodation in 10th grade. But as of now, our eyes will adjust based on the distance of object from our eyes, isn't it? Isn't it? So this is the concept happening over here. When we read a book or a newspaper, when we change the distance, okay, our eyes are adjusting the focal length. Okay, bro, move slowly. Our eyes will be like, okay, move slowly. Let the eyes adjust. Give some time, isn't it? So like this, when we read the newspaper, when we change the distance, the letters become blurred, right? Eventually. So when it's very close to our eyes, we will not be able to read it itself. Okay, there is the distance. Okay, with respect to yes, the average minimum distance is 25 centimeters. Very good, Ahmed Nabil. Yes, Rinsa, thank you. The minimum distance at which the eye can see objects distinctly varies with age. The most comfortable distance at which one can read with a normal eye is about 25 centimeters. Who asked? Sir, Do we have anything to write? Yes, Sneh. You got something right. Sneh, where is Sneh? Sneh, raise your hands. Sir, we should keep the distance of the paper to 25 centimeters away from our eyes. Yes. Where is Sneh? Raise your hands. I have an Australia cousin. She born and raised in Australia. Okay, so she'll be supporting Australia, right? Sneh, happy? Are you writing it? Any doubts, queries, concerns?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Normal eye for an adult or a child. Shairik, it's for an adult. Okay, it's an average value. So for a child, it will vary a lot. Why? Because the size of the eyeball. Okay, everyone's like, sir, from the birth till then, it's the same size, right? But it's an average distance for an adult. So we should keep the distance of the paper. Yes, 25 centimeters. Blind spot will be there, Abhika. So it'll be at a different distance, different position. Okay. So is this hypermetropia? So what's in? This is the base of myopia and hypermetropia. Okay. Distance matters. In myopia, what happens? Short-sightedness. We'll come to that. I'll show you the animation so that you'll have a clarity. In hypermetropia, it's long-sightedness. Okay, we'll discuss that. So first, note this down quick. Then you'll understand. So with respect to this concepts, defects of vision we'll discuss. So basically, we'll discuss about cataract, hypermetropia, and myopia. Yes, it's coming your way quick. Oh, fine. But Nabil is curable. Okay, some of you sharing, sir, I have hypermetropia. My sister has short-sightedness. It's okay. It's not something which is not curable. Very serious. No, you can we can use glasses. There are a lot of devices spectacles to fix it. Sir, I know this part. Okay, good, very good, Lakshya. Sir, I am 60 centimeters away from my device. Oh, is it oral? That's good. That's a good distance. So is there a formula for finding the distance for a particular age? Abu Sufyan, we need to ask some eye specialist doctor about it, I guess. Sir, I have like cat eyes or something. Oh, is it Aman Nabil? Brown eyes, cat eyes. Eye problems, hereditary. So certain eye problems are hereditary. Shivani, certain eye problems are something cause of external influence like dust particles or excess more exposure to bright light or laser lights and all can damage your eyes. So it can happen because of both, okay, hereditary as well as external influences. So is it possible that myopia can happen in only one eye? Possibilities are there, Joshua. Chances are there. Most of the people, it happens in just one eye. Not in both the eyes. Just one eye gets damaged. It depends. I have myopia in my right eye. Then Joshua is like, sir, I have myopia in my right eye. So you are sure about it, right? Why ask, sir, is it possible? Yes, possible for sure. Sir, because I could see far things even in the dark. Oh, is it? Ahmad Nabil is like, sir, I have cat eyes and I know that I can see far things even in the dark. Okay, cats can have that ability, right? Rinser is also having that ability. Rinser will see everything in dark as well. Rinser is not having cat eyes, he's having monster eyes, guys. Rinser monster eyes, right? Maybe, okay. Sir, I am an owl. Okay, Ahmad Nabil is an owl. Sir, is blurring your eyes on command very common. It's common, Nashmiya. Even I can do that with eyelids like this. Sir, doesn't Rinser wear specs? No, Rinser is not wearing specs. It means Nabil is blind. Tejas, he was cutting, I guess. I can see in the dark. Okay, that's great, Aurel Nia. Guys, done writing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Laser has 5 millivolts of power which damage the eye in 10 seconds. Yes, laser is not good. Don't strike it directly to your eyes, guys. So do a human black eyes. Do a human black eyes. What is the question? I didn't get your question, Lakshya. Are you asking humans are having black eyes or not? Or are you asking about eyeball? Make it specific. Yes. So defects of vision. So guys, basically I told you we are going to discuss 3 basic defects of vision: cataract, myopia and hypermetropia. There is short-sightedness and long-sightedness. First we will go to short-sightedness. Okay. The case of short-sightedness, what happens? It is a condition in which some person can see objects close to them clearly but cannot see distant objects clearly. Everyone is like, sir, lot of drama. Rinser will check out the animations so that they will understand what is myopia and what is hypermetropia. So first we'll check out what is myopia. Yes, go ahead, sir. So in the case of myopia, we call it as short-sightedness, right? Which means we can see only the objects very near to us. Okay, objects in a shorter distance, we can see it properly. So here, who is this? Lois ma'am, right? Lois ma'am is looking at an apple. Okay, isn't it? Lois ma'am is looking. Okay, Lois ma'am is like, yeah, yes sir, I'm looking. So here, Lois ma'am is looking at the book. So close to her, there is a book, right? Okay, so she can see it properly, isn't it? Yes, go ahead, sir. Then will she be able to see the things written on the board? So in the book near to her, she can see, but will she be able to see? Lois ma'am, 3 years old. Yes, Elvin, 3 years old. So will she be able to see the things on the board over here? She is so hungry that she wants to eat an apple. Fine. So in my textbook that they are mentioned 4 defects of eye. Fine, Oral Nia. If you want more, we'll discuss that as well. Sir, I have long-sighted. She has eyes then. Yes. Yes, Arnav. But if she is suffering from myopia, will she be able to see the things written on the board? Is it possible? No, right? Why? Because she is having short-sightedness. Only the the objects which is shorter to her eyes, shorter distance to her eyes, she can see. The longer ones or far away things she'll not be able to see properly, or she'll not be able to focus properly. Isn't it? So here in the example or in the animation, we have seen that the object, that is the book which is closer to her, she is able to see, but the things which is written on the board, she sees it as, okay, blurred image. Isn't it? Does ma'am actually have? No, I was kidding, guys. Lois ma'am is not having short-sightedness and all. Extra ones are presbyopia and astigmatism. Okay, Oral Nia, just for your reference, presbyopia is a combination of both. Okay, presbyopia is a combination of both. Astigmatism is not there, right? Astigmatism is there in your syllabus or what? Okay, so Oral Nia. So with respect to myopia and hypermetropia, we'll talk about the distance, right? But in the case of astigmatism, it is just that it is a defect of vision where we'll see the objects blurry. Okay, over here, so based on the distance, we are seeing the objects blurry, right? But because of astigmatism, now with irrespective of distance, we'll see the objects blurry. Okay, that is a defect of eye. So it's not there in your textbook, but if it's there, if it's there in your syllabus, for example, certain students are following Pearson's textbook and all, right? So if that is the case, if you want, I'll add that. Okay, for required. Fine. So this is the concept of myopia. There is short-sightedness. The short distances at a shorter distance we can see. Longer distance we can't see. Now the next case. Yes, Renzo. Thank you. Yes. Yes. So in the case of short-sightedness, it is a condition in which some persons can see objects close to them clearly, but cannot see the distant objects clearly. So I don't know this down quick. So is this myopia or hypermetropia? It's myopia. Short-sightedness means obviously myopia. If you don't know, please do know this down. That is myopia. Okay. The point you have to note it down real quick. Okay, it's there in Collins' textbook. Fine, Oral. I have a small effect of myopia. Oh, is it Vishnarayan? Sir, I have short-sightedness. Oh, is it Abu Sufyan? Where's your riddle, Abu Sufyan? Sir, is it possible through rare... okay, is it possible for one eye to have myopia while the other eye has hypermetropia? Yes, it is possible in very rare cases. Okay? Yes. That doesn't exist in my textbook only. Yes, I know that. In NCERT astigmatism is not there, but still, for your reference, we see the things blurred. There is a defect. So done? Ahmad Nabil done? Everyone done? Type down in your chat box so that we can go ahead. Done writing. Like my left eye is blurry, like, okay. Ma'am, in the left hand, like my left hand. When I see my text, left hand. Yes. Sir, is blind spot present in newborn babies? Yes, animal. In newborn babies, in all the humans is there. From birth itself, we'll have a blind spot where we'll not have any sensory cells over there. So if the image is found over there, our eyes will not be recognizing it. Okay, if I see Rinser's image on my blind spot, I'll not be recognizing, okay, Rinser is there or not. Just do it. So done? Everyone done? Can you go ahead? Yes. So next we'll check out long-sightedness or hypermetropia. Yes, Rinser, can you please show the animation? Then we'll go ahead with long-sightedness. Yes, Rinser, go ahead. Yes, go ahead. So over here, okay, Lois ma'am is looking at the board, right? Isn't it? So she is able to see the things clearly what is written on the board. Yes, go ahead, sir. But is she able to see the things written properly on the book? Okay, on the book, she is not able to see it, isn't it? So the things which is close to her, she is not able to see, but the thing which is written on the board, she is able to see. So what is this defect? It is called as long-sightedness or hypermetropia. In hypermetropia, we can see the distant objects clearly, but we can't see the nearby objects clearly. So this defect of vision is none other than hypermetropia or long-sightedness. Okay, so everyone note this down quick. Sweta ma'am cleared. Some queries were there in the chat box, right? Yes. Clear? That one only. Yes. Yes, she can see things which is for how many general relativity theories? Okay, check it. Sir, my riddle. Okay. Oh, Abu Sufyan, still I missed it. Quick. So everyone, please do note this down. It's a condition in which some persons cannot see objects close, but they can see distant objects quite well. Okay, close objects they can't see clearly. So it's a condition in which some persons cannot see objects close by clearly. Okay, close by objects means nearby objects. Okay, but they can see distant objects quite well. Got it? So that is hypermetropia or long-sightedness. Got it? So everyone note this down real quick. Hi everyone. Okay. I can see your comments in YouTube as well. Some of you have logged in live and dropped some messages, right? I'm seeing your comments, the YouTube live chat. Best sir, 90 plus bro, lol, true legend for best for a reason. Okay, fine. Thank you, Arnav. I'm reading your messages. So everyone done? Can we go ahead? Quick. Once you're done, type done. Fill the chat box. So some of you are like, sir, 10 done? No, just 1 done is fair enough. Don't type 10 times, okay? Just type 1 done. I don't want anyone spamming my chat box, isn't it? Like you done is me. Oh, is it? So hey, fine. Yes, some questions down there. Yes, correct. Sharik Salman, your hypermetropia spelling is correct. Yes. Yellow spot and red spot clear, right? An area near the middle of the retina where an oval yellow spot is present is known as yellow spot. The yellow spot has another name called macula. Okay, not significant over here. In 8th grade, that's why I'm not taking it, guys. Don't get confused with blind spot, yellow spot and all. No, blind spot is fair enough. That's why I'm not taking it. So it's visually challenge people in this chapter. Yes, just to be respectful. Yes, Bachan, visually challenge people. The concepts are there coming up. Yes, guys. So we'll use spectacles, right? For all these defects of vision, isn't it? Now we have another defect of vision called as cataract. So in cataract, what happens? Crystalline lens of people at old age becomes milky and cloudy, as you can see here. Over here you can see, right, the lens over here is like cloudy white color, right, as you can see here. So this causes partial or complete loss of vision. When there is a cloudy layer in front of our eyes, what happens? Vision will be partially disturbed, or complete loss of vision will be there. Why? Because the eyeball is covered with a milky and cloudy substance, isn't it? So it is possible to restore vision through a cataract surgery. So in a cataract surgery, what happens? They take that layer off. Okay. So my mom had this. So now it's cleared. We should do surgery. Yes, Elvi. I know it. I know the concept in detail. Why? Because my mom had the same defect of vision. So which lens do we use for which defect? So which lens do we use for? So Ishan, it depends. So bifocal lens we'll use where we'll have both concave and convex lenses in the spectacle itself. And sir, how does it form? And specifically, if you ask, in myopia we'll use a concave lens, and in hypermetropia we'll use a convex lens. Correctness with respect to hypermetropia and myopia, it's coming in 10th grade. Oh, here in 8th grade it's not required. So last slide. Why? You guys have written it, right? So it only comes in old people, all people. Very good question. Sohail is asking, sir, cataract comes only for old age people? Yes, mostly majority of old age people has this defect. So it generally happens because of dust particles, foreign particles entering our eye, and extreme, continuous stress and strain. So for years, so eventually after some years it happens, right? So it generally happens for old age people like Rinsa, not for young people like me. Young lad, I'm a young lad, right? Rinsa, it's okay. Rinsa is like, sir, I know I'm old, but it's not good. You are trolling me. Sir, don't me too young. Yes, I know, Ahmad Nabil, we are bros, right? So if they remove lens because of cataract, once again, ma'am. Sir, if they remove lens because of cataract, does that mean that the person won't have lens? Sambia, they're not removing the lens. On top of the lens, some cloudy, milky layer will be formed. So they'll remove that layer, not the lens. If they remove the lens, how will they see? What is this? Aurel, what happened? Aurel Nia, right? Unmute Aurel Nia. Aurel Nia, what happened? So that will be painful. That's what. For during surgery and all, they'll give some sedation and all, right? So don't worry. Sir, I am a non-living, but I have all the 10 fingers. What am I? It's a riddle, right, Abu Sufyan? Yes, Aurel Nia, what happened? What was that, ma'am? What was the comment? What is this? Aurel Nia, unmute. You have confusion with cataract or what? You just type, what is this? You meant what is cataract, or you meant, sir, what are you doing? Mad or what? Aurel, what did you mean? Sir, this is not there in the textbook. Oh, Aurel Nia, in your calling textbook it will not be there, but in NCRT it's there, right? So don't worry, we are considering all the textbook, but still our base is NCRT, right? Isn't it? Our base, our structure is based on NCRT, right? So in NCRT, cataract is there. If it's not there in your textbook, you can write the points, but you don't have to give importance to it. So mine is Cordova. Some of you are following Cordova. Some of you are following Collins. So how to make an octopus laugh? You have to tickle. So octopus will laugh, right? So you know this down quick. Rin sir and ma'am is thinking, sir, enough of today. So we are going live on YouTube. Avika is sharing some comments in the chat box. Srikar is sharing. How many general relativity theories does it take to change a light bulb? 2. One to hold the bulb and one to rotate the space. Oh, is it? Done. Okay, Srikar is sharing in YouTube. Adil Mohammed, done. Avika, sir is a legend. Avika. Arnav. Reading your messages, Arnav. Yes, can we go ahead, guys? Sir, because of this, will our vision be white? Tejas, cloudy. Vision will be cloudy. There will be either partial loss or complete loss of vision. Yes. So using lenses or by consulting an eye specialist, we can fix all these defects of vision, right? So let's check out a question. A student has difficulty reading the blackboard while sitting in the last row. What could be the defect the child is suffering from? How can it be corrected? What do you think? So tell the YouTube channel. Guys, you are asking the YouTube channel. You guys know? You guys don't know? 90 plus Middle East. You can search 90 plus Middle East YouTube channel. Yes, 90 plus Middle East. If specifically if you want, you can search it like this: 90 plus Middle East. So you can search it like this specifically. So can be corrected by wearing a specs? Yes. But what could be the defect? Okay, using spectacles we can cover it. Yes, convex lens specifically. Guys, convex lens. The kid is having myopia or hypermetropia. A student has difficulty. The student, I see you in camp, okay. So the student has difficulty reading the blackboard while sitting in the last row. What could be the defect the child is suffering from? He can't read the distant objects, but he can see the nearby objects, nearby things, right? So it specifically mentions student has difficulty reading the blackboard while sitting in the last row, which means the board and the student is having a particular distance. So he or she is suffering from myopia, isn't it? So we can use lenses or spectacles to cover it. Specifically, if you ask me in the case of, sir, do 90 plus is having a Hindi channel. Lakshya, no. No, we are not having a Hindi channel. But all India we are going. So Lakshya is like, sir, your ad and all something I saw, I guess. Isn't it? Fine. So guys, which lens will use? So correction for hypermetropia and myopia is not there. So at your level you can write specifically. Okay? Okay. Some of you are sharing convex lens, some of you are sharing concave lens. So guys, for myopia, which lens? Convex or concave? Ma'am, for myopia, convex lens or concave lens? Which lens will you use for correction? Some of you are sharing convex. How many of you say convex lens? How many of you say concave lens? Guys, you still comment convex? Yes, very good. Only very few are commenting concave. So guys, the child is suffering from myopia, right? That is, he can't see distant objects. Okay, he can only see nearby objects. So that is short-sightedness or myopia. So in the case of myopia, for the correction, we'll use a concave lens, right? Isn't it? For myopia, we'll use a concave lens for correction. So let's see, I am a legend. Okay, very good. Ahmad Nabil, I saw your message. Saw your message. Not just Ahmad, Vishnarayan, Nishan. Yes. Halmit, Halmatu, Abika. Yes. Inakshi. Okay, Inakshi. Lot of messages coming. Yes, guys have commented. Very good. So taking care of the eyes. Yes, to take care of our eyes, what should we do, guys? What should we do? What should we do? Tejas, what should we do? Sir, are you talking about YouTube chat? Yes, YouTube chat also I do read some messages. Okay. So guys, focus. So easy. Yes, that's what. To take care of our eyes. Yes, regular checkup possible, required Vachan. Yes, step by step we'll check out. If advised, use suitable spectacles. Okay, first point, spectacles should be used. Taking care of the eyes. Everyone note this down. First point, quick. If advised, use suitable spectacles. Guys, I was doing like this. The nib of the pen hit me. But blood didn't come, I guess. And so blood is there? No, right? So guys, blood is not there. No, I am safe. Wash your eyes with cold water regularly. Yes, very good. It's coming, Avika. Washing your eyes with water, it's coming your way. Wash eyes regularly. Do not rub eyes. Check eyes with professional frequency. Frequently use spectacles if needed. Prevent straining of your eyes. Okay, Ishan Shamsir is sharing some points in chat box. Quick. So unwritten. If advised, use suitable spectacles. Everyone knows that, right, sir? Easy. So too little or too much light is bad for eyes. So whenever you are reading something, whenever you are learning, make sure the lighting is not less and it is not more. It should be average. Insufficient light causes eye strain and headaches. Light should not be very less, it should not be too much light. Both are bad for eyes. Not too much, not less. Not read books too close or too far from eyes. Yes, Irish. Eat vitamin A rich foods. Yes. Are you okay, sir? Yes, Nehu. I was just doing like this. I was just doing like this. And pen was striking, but nothing happened. 50% brightness. Yes, average we need to take, right? Yes, I hope you have written it. 1, 2, 3. I'm going ahead. Sir, check YouTube comment. Okay, Abel, what did you comment? Thank God he didn't die by bleeding. Okay, fine. Guys do reactions. Okay, hello. Fine. Sir, use 15% brightness when I see mobile. Okay, fine. Less screen time. Good. So yes, less screen time is good for eyes. So too much light like that of the sun, a powerful lamp or a laser torch that can injure the retina. So never use laser torches and all directly to your eyes, guys. Never try it. Okay? So please do make sure you're not doing it. So the next point, too much light like that of sun or a powerful lamp or laser torch can injure the retina. So the image formation would be tough. I can't chat on YouTube. Oh, what happened, Nashmia? You didn't log in? Some of you sharing riddles. No light bulbs allowed. Why can't you take electricity to social outings? Answer, because it doesn't know how to conduct itself. Oh, was it? Subscribers mode only. Okay, was it able? Only subscribers can comment, right? Nashmia, you have to subscribe. Yes, you have to subscribe to comment. Avika is like, I have already commented. Guys, subscribe. Sir, looking at that right now is making me squint my eyes. Oh, the laser, right? Yes, we'll go ahead with the next point. Sir knows, right? Too much light, sunlight, bright sunlight or laser light, not good. Do not look at the sun or a powerful light directly. You guys know it already. Ready for subs. Yes, Sharik. We are new, right? We need to grow, isn't it? I have already subscribed. Oh, is it Nashmia? So guys, do not look at the sun or a powerful light directly. You guys know it already? Yes. So never rub your eyes. If particles of dust go into your eyes, wash your eyes with clean water. If there is no improvement, go to a doctor. Some of you have commented, sir, wash your eyes with cold water, good water, fresh water, good, right? Yes. So once if something goes in, some dust particles goes in, never rub your eyes. Some of you guys will be doing this, right? So if particles of dust go into your eyes, wash it. Okay, use clean water to wash. Don't use mud water and wash. 2 years it will go. Can cause pink eye. Yes. Yes. So you should wash your eyes with clean water. If there is no improvement, go to a doctor. Basic things. You guys know it already. Too easy. So guys, can I go ahead? Simple points, right? Real quick. Simple point. That's why I'm not giving you enough time, because the basic ones you know it already. Still we use it as nothing. I can't believe light is the fastest object. Still we use it as nothing. Solid, we use it everywhere, right? Sir, don't use chlorine water, it will make more worse. Yes, Abel. Sir, done? Yes, everyone done? Yes. So the next point, wash your eyes frequently with clean water. So guys, the fourth point was we should wash your eyes when dust has entered your eyes, right? So next point is you have to wash your eyes frequently with clean water. So multiple washing for your eyes is good. Okay, so if you're washing eyes multiple times, okay, multiple washing helps to take care of your eyes, isn't it? So wash your eyes frequently with clean water. So this point you know it already, right? Sir, this is rinser. Rinser is that you? No, right? Rinser is not like that, guys. Rinser is having beard and all. Sir, aren't we supposed to learn about what to eat for food for good eyesight? Yes, Sohail. It's coming, Sohail. Please wait. It's coming your way. Everything I should spoon feed together. No, right? One by one we should go, right? Sohail, isn't it? Yes. So the next point, always read at the normal distance for vision. Do not read by bringing the book too close to your eyes or keeping it too far. In the case of newspaper, we have seen, isn't it? Sir, if you are Picasso, then will you draw rinser? Elvin later on. So when is exam? In the end. Last 15 minutes. Bro, it's definitely Abhimanyu. Guys, petition for revealing Rinser's face. Oh, is it? Rinser more handsome than that guy. That's what Abel. So refraction part. Yes, Lakshya. If you want a ladder refraction, I told right in the end of session, in the end of chapter. Yes. Don't worry. Okay, before we start sound, we'll do that. Don't worry. Yes. So guys, this point someone has told this. The same point someone has commented it. Isn't it? Yes. Sir, we are live. Please show Rinser face. At least people will get more attracted and join 90 plus. Not required, right? Sohail, not required. Focus on the concepts. Are you writing it? Show me your notebook, Sohail. Don't ask him about the exam or he will sing. That's what Avika. Yes. So always read at where is your notebook, Sohail? To the camera. Some of you are typing constantly in the chat box. I'll assume, okay, you guys are not writing. You guys are just typing. Where is your notebook, Sohail? Show it to the camera. Screenshot, no. You're not for the first time. I told you. Never take screenshots. Got it, Sohail? One last warning. Never say, sir, I didn't write all the screens. I'm taking screenshots. What is the point of it, Sohail? Okay, got it? Sir, you are his notebook from kilometers. That's what. Never take screenshot, guys. I'll be insisting, guys. For this, it's okay for the time being. You can take screenshots. But if I didn't insist, never take that. Okay? So physical notebooks are mandatory. Sohail has been there for a lot of sessions, and still you're asking, sir, screenshots. Lot of drama, Sohail. Being dramatic for a minute. Exactly, Abel. Sohail. Okay. So ma'am, please note Sohail. So next time if you repeat Sohail, we'll call your parents for sure. Yes. So always read at the normal distance. We know it. So if you are changing the distance, we'll see blurred eyes, right? So food for healthy eyes. Sohail happy? Sohail was searching. Sir, aren't we supposed to learn about food for healthy eyes? Yes, it's coming, Sohail. Food for healthy eyes. Sir, I'm using sketch pen because my pen went missing. Okay, that's okay, fine. Vishnaran, you guys have to write it in physical notebooks. That is mandatory. Yes. Foods. Now, Sohail, now take a book and write. Start writing. At least now. Guys, I hope you know that. For my new students also. You should write it in a physical notebook. Yes. Food for healthy eyes. What are the foods we should eat for healthy eyes? Everyone should include in the diet components which have vitamin A. Which are all the foods which have vitamin A present in it? Foods with vitamin A. Lack of vitamin A in foodstuff is responsible for night blindness. What is night blindness? Carrot. Okay, carrot is rich in vitamin A. Very good. Very good. Milk is good. Very good, Vachan. Yes, carrot. Sweet melons, okay, citrus is there. Lack of vitamin A, anemia will come, yes. Irish. So guys, vitamin A rich food items we should eat, right? So if vitamin A is not there, it is responsible for night blindness, right? So in the case of normal vision, we can see at night, we can see the traffic like this. But in the case of night blindness, we'll not be able to see the vehicles properly, right? So at night, we'll not be able to see things properly. As you can see here, it'll be tough, right? Normal vision and night blindness. Understand the difference? Isn't it? So, vitamin A rich foods. Everyone focus over here. Honey, broccoli, carrot and all is there, right? Lot of pulses we should eat. So, these are the different vitamin A rich food. Cake is there, yogurt, ghee, cheese and all is there, isn't it? So yogurt, cheese, eggs and all rich in vitamin A, kiwi, papaya, mango, isn't it? Pulses, yes. Broccoli, yes. Yes. So explain how you can take care of your eyes. We have learned a lot of points, right? So we have learned vitamin A rich foods as well, isn't it? So all this vitamin A rich food is something which we should eat to take care of our eyes. So Gurmeet wanted to perform an activity using a laser torch. Her teacher advised her not to do so. Can you explain the basis of the teacher's advice? What is the reason? Gurmeet's teacher told that, okay, never use a laser torch. What is the reason? Sir, how did they take photo from their eyes? No, it was just a representation element. Because the light is too powerful for the eyes. Yes, laser light is harmful for the human eyes because its intensity is very high, it can cause damage to the retina and lead to blindness. Hence, it is advisable not to look at a laser beam directly. Got it? Got it? So, high beam. Yes. Sharky is like, guys, we are anonymous here and that gives us a lot of power. So we can call sir as well. Isn't it? Sharky. Yes. 69 minutes ago the stream started. Enjoys the retina. Sir, I can't chat. It's okay. Fine, Nashmia. I'm not checking the chats. It's okay. The teacher was right, as a laser torch is very dangerous and is harmful to eyes as it's because of its intense power. Yes, exactly. Everyone done? Can we go ahead? Everyone knows this point, right? Laser light is harmful for human eyes, for sure. Because its intensity is high, intensity of light is high for laser, isn't it? You guys know it, right? So since the intensity is high, what happens? It will damage the retina and lead to blindness. Hence, it is advisable not to look at a laser beam directly. Got it? Yes, it is a danger if your child is using it and you have an adult around you. Yes. I supposed to write this question, right? Yes, or if you feel like you're gonna miss it, you can take a screenshot. But later on, you should write it in your notebook. Okay? So just like this, okay, in the end of session, if I'm rushing, if I'm asking you to take screenshots, it's okay. But you have to write it afterwards. Never say, sir, all session, entire session, I took screenshots. No. Sir, we can cook food with a laser, with a lens. Would be tough. It'll be, all your food items will burn. Hamad Nabil. Sir, only answer, right? Yes, if you want, you can just write the answer. Yes. It would be tough to use normal laser lights, Ahmad Nabil. So there are certain advanced blue lasers and all which is used to cook food and all. Is everyone done? Yes. If you feel like you're gonna miss it, take a screenshot, quick. Just for the time being, okay, just to save time. Not to say that, guys, every day you can take screenshots. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 time. I'm gonna change the slide. Visually challenged condition. Some of you ask, sir, are we discussing visually challenged? Yes, Watson has asked me. Yes, visually challenged condition. Some persons cannot see at all since birth, right? Isn't it? There are some people like that. So some persons may lose their eyesight because of a disease. So guys, don't write this, not required. Don't write this. Such persons try to identify things by touching and listening to voices more carefully. They develop their other senses more sharply, isn't it? So, however, additional resources can enable them to develop their capabilities further. So, guys, don't write simple points. Okay? So, some people cannot see since till from birth itself. Some people after that may lose their eyesight because of a disease. Okay? So, such persons will identify by touching and using their sense of hearing, isn't it? So, they develop other senses more sharply, will be more precise. Since they can't see it, right? It's not like, okay, they have some extra power. No. It's like they're more sharp into it. They're using it more. Understood? However, additional resources can enable them to develop their capabilities further. So what are the additional resources? Yes, it is none other than Braille system. Yes, Braille system. Yes, Rinsa. The most popular resource for visually challenged persons is Braille system. So Louis Braille, a famous visually challenged person, right? He developed a system for visually challenged persons and it is published in 1821. So Louis Braille, famous scientist, developed this same system in 1821 so that it can help visually challenged persons. So guys, don't write it. The basic idea, you know it. So there is a Braille code for common languages, mathematics and scientific notation. So many Indian languages can be read using the Braille system. So here these are some examples. So these languages with respect to certain denotations, they will mark like this. So Braille system has 63 dot patterns or characters. Each character represents a letter, a combination of letters, a common word or a grammatical sign. Everyone know this down. This is important. Quick. Know this down. Yes, Louis Braille is visually challenged. Some of you are asking, is Louis Braille visually challenged? Yes. A visually challenged scientist itself developed this concept. So it depends. Vishnu Narayan is asking, is blindness fully black or extreme blurry? No. It depends on, in certain cases, it depends on situations. The cat doesn't make sense. Okay. So it is, guys, you'll not understand the system. Why? Because it's a different language. Okay, it's a different pattern. You have to learn it. So just to have a basic idea, it's given that it is having 63 dot patterns or characters. So each character represents a letter or a combination of letters, a common word or a grammatical sign. So all these denotations are there. You can just talk though. Yes. Pixel, some of you are asking what kind of light ray. Pixel light rays will be there. Pixels will be there on the phone screen. Okay? And obviously, phones will release radiations for sure, but on screen we'll have multiple pixels. These pixel combinations make the display. Some of you ask what happens in the mobile screen, what kind of ray. And the radiations which comes out of the mobile will be RF, radio frequency signals, radio frequency waves. So everyone know this down? Braille system done? Type done? Yes, you will be having chapter test today. No one should miss the exam. Got it? No one should miss the exam today. Chapter test, very very important. Don't worry guys, the chapter is almost done. So some of you guys have asked sir, refraction, some other extra concepts, right? So we'll do that. Okay, not today. If we get time, today itself or else in the next session. Refraction obviously we'll do it in the next session. In detail like I need to discuss, but still after that we'll start the chapter sound. Hopefully I thought okay today itself I'll start sound, but it's okay. We'll start sound in the next session. Patterns when embossed on, guys you don't have to write it, the basic idea of it, okay? So the previous one, did you write this? This one you have to write. Okay, Braille system, what happens in the case of a Braille system. Then the next one, focus over here. Patterns when embossed on Braille sheets helps visually challenged person to recognize the words by touching. Okay, they'll be touching the patterns. So by touching the patterns, they understand, okay, this is the letter or the character. So to make them easier to test, the dots are raised slightly as you can see here. Got it? Got it? Don't write this, guys. Thought of my bees curing 100 people eyes when sir said visually challenged. Oh. So guys, we should never consider like, okay, visually challenged persons, they can't do anything. No, they can do a lot of such techniques they use. Yes. So visually challenged people learn the Braille system by beginning with letters, then special characters and letter combinations. So methods depend upon recognition by touching. Each character has to be memorized. Okay, they'll be memorizing it. Okay, and they touch the pattern, they will understand each character. Braille text can be produced by hand or by the machine. Okay, typewriter like devices like this and printing machines have now been developed. Okay, Braille on the sheet. Okay, we'll have some dot patterns, right? So who will print these dot patterns? Typewriters and printing machines are there. Specific devices are there to print this paper with Braille pattern and Braille system. So there are certain famous personalities. Who are all these four personalities, guys? First one, who is going to answer? Everyone knows that first person. First person, famous, very famous. Helen Keller, very good. Helen Keller. Yes, Helen Keller, very good. Who is the second one? It's there in your textbook. It's there in your textbook. Yes, it's in the textbook. Same people. Yes, Sharik. Who is the second one then? So should we write this? Ahmed Nabil. All these are the basic idea. In the case of Braille system, what happens? Okay, certain typewriters, printing machines and all will be there. You don't have to get confused with this. Who is the second person over here, guys? So is it Steve Wonder? No, Ravindra Jain. Yes, can people who can see learn Braille? Yes, if yes, it's hard to learn. Is it hard to learn? So it depends. For visually challenged persons, it will be easy. Why? Because they will be very sharp with their touches or other senses. Isn't it? Yes, Animal, very good. Yes, ma'am. In chat box, let me see chat box. Manoj or not Manoj are able and definitely not considering it. The Braille system, right? Yes. Singer, yes. Then who is this guy? Singer Ravindra Jain. Who is this guy? Guinness record and all. Where is Sharik? Sharik, raise your hands. Second person is not blind, I guess. Yes, it's blind. Everyone is blind. Who is gonna answer? Yes, Sharik. Who is the third person? He's an actor. Oh, is it Watson? Abhay Templeton? No. Angel? Yes. Where is Sharik? Sharik ran away or what?
I don't know.
Yes,
Oh,
Sharik.
my mic was muted.
Yes. Who is the second person over here? Okay, this is Helen Keller. Helen Keller. Then who is this guy? Who is this famous personality?
I don't know.
Sharik, you
I
said
don't know.
it's there in the textbook, right? You didn't check the textbook? Check the textbook then.
I saw the first picture in the textbook. I didn't see the other one.
It is Ravindra Jain.
The second picture is
It's Ravindra Jain, right?
only the first picture.
First picture you know.
Only
Okay,
the first
Helen
picture
Keller.
is there.
Yes, then the third one,
Yeah.
fourth one and all is that you know
They are in
Darshana.
the textbook.
Yes, it's there. You guys didn't even learn read the textbook at least once. This chapter is not covered in your school or what? Guys, famous
No, we haven't
person.
started this.
It's okay, Sharik. I'm talking to everyone. You can mute yourself.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone is like, sir, obviously you will answer it so we can note down. No one is even exploring the textbook when once you are into the chapter. It's not there in my textbook. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll give you a task. Everyone take a screenshot quick. Take a screenshot. By the next session, you should tell. Okay, don't just say, sir, it's Helen Keller. Or sir, this is Ravindra Jain. Or this is Ravindra Jain. He's a singer now. No. Specifically, I want. Okay, so the Ravindra Jain is this person or Helen Keller is this person. So this is what she does. So she has written a book or she has written a diary. Something like that. Okay, specifically. You have to research on it. Okay, this is an activity for you. You can use Google Images. Yes, easy, Sharik. You can use Google Images. But you learn about that person, right? You're gaining some knowledge out of it. Got it? Laser vision, but doesn't it bring back full vision? It depends. It depends. Laser surgery is there, right? So it depends on the intensity of it. All of them are blind. Yes, Pranav. All of them are blind. Yes, Animal, you are correct. So Animal, not just the name. Animal is commenting. Fourth picture is Lal Advani. Don't worry. So guys, not just the name. At least 2-3 sentences. The basic knowledge about them you should have. Okay, I'll ask in the next session. So consider this as a homework. So take a screenshot, everyone, quick. And now we're gonna have test right now. Rinsa inform our team to activate the test. So motivation, no. So guys, today you'll be getting enough time to attend the test. So before we go, extra questions or homework questions. Okay guys, 2 simple homework questions. So guys, translate like homework questions, not extra questions. Everyone is like, sir, extra questions, right? But still, it is something which we have already learned today, right? So everyone take a screenshot of the extra questions quick. Quick. Yes, easiest question. That's why it said homework questions. Only 2 easy questions which we have already learned. So first lady so pretty, so should we have been a model? Okay, fine. So everyone, yes, I'll read that. Yeah, I'll read. Whose comment was it? Was it ma'am? Vishnu. Vishnuvardhan. I'll read your comment. Just a second, Vishnuvardhan. So everyone take a screenshot. Extra questions, yes. So guys, exam you can do it. You can take time. I've given 10 minutes time for the exams. Okay. So you can leave the session and attend the exam. Okay. So everyone is like, sir, even after leaving, can we attend? Yes. Below the join link, you can have the exam tab, right? Yes. So before we wind up, I'll read a comment. Vishnuvardhan is sharing. I saved a dog yesterday, golden retriever. I think it was blind and sitting in the middle of the road. And one man was standing over there and talking in the phone. I went and asked that man, is that your dog? He told yes. Then he took the dog inside the villa, sir. Okay, that's a great. Yes, that's a great gesture from you, Vishnuvardhan. I appreciate that. Yes, that's great. That's great. So eating food rich in vitamin A bring back vision. Not really, Vishnuvardhan. Got it? What is the perfect vision? There is nothing like perfect vision now. It's an average value which we are considering 25 centimeter now. Yes. So first lady is so pretty, so should yes. Yes, exam is activated, guys. so you can attend the exam relaxed mode. That's why I'm not rushing, okay? Or else I'll be waiting over here, right? We are having chapter test, 10 questions and all is there, right? So if I wait over here, everyone will be like, we need to rush. No, it's okay. You can do it relaxed, but only 10 minutes. If you start submitting, only 10 minutes, okay? So before we wind up, any hand raises, sir? Any hand raises? Anyone? Any queries, doubts in the chat box? No, sir, like 25 out of 25. No, you'll get 20 out of 20. Yes, Sharik, unmute, quick. Sharik has shared in the chat box. Sharik, you googled it or what?
I found all of them.
You got all of them.
Yeah.
Okay,
The first one,
Ravindra Jain is
Killer.
there.
The second
Then,
one is Ravindra Jain, an Indian musical composer and lyrics.
okay,
Second, third one is a child prodigy, Master Ritik Diwakar, winner of Global Child Project.
okay.
Award
Helen
this year.
Keller, Ravindra Jain,
And the
Ritik
last-
Diwakar, and Lal Advani, right?
Yeah, Lal Advani,
Yes.
Lifelong Champion
So-
for Handicap.
So it's not just about the names. You have to. So over here, for example, Sharik has written. Ravindra Jain is an Indian musical composer and lyricist. The second one, the third one is child prodigy Master Ritik. So not like that. Just at least a brief 2-3 sentences you have to learn and come. Okay, famous visually challenged persons. So at least some basic knowledge about them you'll have. So I'll ask about them in the next session. Very good, Sharik. So guys, at least their names you got it right. So the basic idea about them you should learn and come. Okay, this is an activity for you guys. I hope you have taken the screenshots. So yes, very good, Sharik. Thanks for sharing it. Did you do the exam? Done with the exam, Sharik? Done or not done? Still doing it. Okay. Okay, do it real quick. So ma'am, many hand raises, queries and concerns. So I got 18 out of 20. Very good, Ishan. Only 2 marks gone, right? There is only one question you took it wrong. You guys had the easiest 10 questions today, right? Yes, Vachin, what's your doubt? Unmute Vachin, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, Vachin.
Sir, I just have one doubt in the quiz. Here in the seventh question, they say that the human eye can see up to which distance? And here they have given 10 kilometer, 100 kilometer, 1000 and infinity. Didn't you explain it was like 25 centimeter?
That is the shortest possible clear distance, right? Human eye can see up to. If I say it will be like revealing the answer. Vachin, if you stay at the brink of a mountain and look to the other end, you are able to see, right? It's not about distinct vision or clear vision. It's just about the vision of our eyes. To what extent we can see. Got it?
Yes, thank you.
Yes. So if I say it'll be like revealing the answer, but I hope you got yes. Adil Mohammed 16. Okay, I got 16 on 20. Okay, 18 on 20. Not 10 kilometer. Ahmad Nabil. It's based in the horizon bending, right? It's based on the horizon bending. Sharik. Not actually horizon bending. It depends on the what we say. Maximum field of vision. Sharik. You can use it on field of vision. Sir, can we leave? Yes. Those who are done with the exams, you can leave. Yes. So I'm winding up, guys. You can do the exams. Relax. Ma'am, any hand raises? Any doubts, queries? My best friend won the Guinness World Record. I'm really proud of her. In what? In which event or in which task? By doing which task, Nay? Some of you are asking, can we leave? Yes. If you are done with the exams, you can leave, guys. For what, Sneh? Unmute, Sneh. Field of vision. Yes, Shari. Very good. Yes, Sneh, for what she want? Your friend, he or she. Unmute, Sneh, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, for what he or she want the Guinness record, world record?
Actually, she won 3 years ago.
For what? For which task? What did she do?
For remembering like 195 countries' capital and its currencies.
Okay, 195 countries,
She was
capitals
like-
and currencies. That's
She's
great.
like the youngest.
Youngest one. Okay. That's great.
In
That's
UAE.
great. Okay, in UAE. Fine. Very good. So proud to have a friend, right, Sneh? Yes, we are happy to know about it.
Yes.
Yes, fine. So everyone done? Can we wind up? We can wind up, right? Wow, yes, that's great, right, Aurel? Yes, that's all for today, guys. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.